In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute channels on Discord. If you're part of an active server, your sidebar can light up with new messages all day. Muting a channel is a quick way to reduce noise without leaving the server or missing out entirely. You'll still be able to open the channel whenever you want. You just won't be interrupted by notifications. Start by opening the server where the chatter is getting a bit loud. On the left-hand side, you'll see the server's channel list. These are usually organized into categories, and each line in that list is a channel you can join. Take a moment to find the specific channel you want to quiet down. If the list is long, scroll through it so you're sure you're selecting the right one. Once you've located the channel, right-click its name in the left sidebar. Be sure you're clicking the channel name itself, not a message inside the chat area. A small menu will appear with several options. Look for the one that says Mute Channel and click it. Right away, Discord will ask how long you'd like to mute the channel for. Pick the time frame that matches your needs, whether that's a short break or a longer pause. Choosing a set duration is great if you just need quiet while you focus. When that time ends, notifications will resume automatically. And that's it. You've muted the channel. From now on, you won't get notification pings or unread badges from that channel during the mute period, but the channel remains visible and fully accessible. You can open it at any time to catch up on what you missed, and messages will still be there waiting for you. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't see the mute option, double-check that you right-click the channel in the left panel. Also, make sure you're selecting the exact channel you intend to mute, especially in servers where channels have similar names. Remember, muting is about controlling your attention. It's perfect for channels that are useful but not urgent, like off-topic chats, music bots, or high-traffic general discussions. Finally, repeat the same action for any other channels that are distracting you. A little housekeeping in your sidebar can make a big difference in how focused and calm Discord feels throughout your day. Thanks for watching. If this helped you take control of your notifications, you're all set to enjoy your servers without the constant buzz.